Hi and welcome to this new video. I'm Bags Passionate. Welcome to my channel. And today, as you have seen on the little peek, it's an unboxing. It comes from Greece. Yes, guys, it comes from Greece. And it's an order I have made on Etsy. I have to say, I already ordered on Etsy for this bag and I am crazy about it. The leather is so great and I already have some patina and so on because I'm using it a bunch. And in my mind, I thought to myself, oh, you got this bag idea. Have a look on Etsy, maybe someone is making this bag. So I gave a look and fortunately the company which realized this bag does not produce the type of bag I've got in my mind. So I made other researches and I find something. So today is the unboxing. Let's get fingers crossed that is okay. I will just tell that I received it so fastly. I ordered, I think this video will be launched really later. We are in July, but I will maybe launch this video really later because I have more things to talk to you before. And I ordered it on Saturday and we are Tuesday and I already received it. So 4 days very fastly because we have a weekend in between. So I am impressed. I am also impressed by the box. It's super cool because, oh my God, it's so strong. So I am happy. It's not like my Longchamp sales that I received a poor cupboard, a poor envelope cupboard. So I'm happy to see this time a box. Let's open it. For those who just discover my channel, I'm Bags Passionate, French bag collector, fashion lover, and a mobile Longchamp addict. Welcome to my channel. I do video both in English and French, my mother language. So if you love bags discussion, you are at the right place. So please consider subscribing. If you're a returning subby viewers, thanks a lot for your support. Love you guys. So yes, without further ado, let's open it.
And well, I will try to open it. So it's like this. I will try this side because there's nothing in order to open it. I'm going to. Wow. It's so hard to open it. Okay.
Yes. So like this, you see. Woohoo! In fact, it's not one bag. I ordered 3 bags. Okay. Should I? Okay, guys, I will try to turn. Yes, like this, it's better. So, guys, let's. Okay, so this is one bag. Oh, they all have dust bag apparently. This is the second one. And this is the last one. Woohoo! But the guys, look at the, oh, it's they were well packed. So, I got 3 things to open. Oh, I've gotten, oh, so cute. So you have a name. I really appreciate. Thank you for your order. Okay, oh, got another one. And so my idea, okay, I'm making like this. My idea, I was looking for a tiny backpack in leather. Yes, a tiny one with a leather, with this type of leather because I'm going to have some trips, and I wanted something, yes, with nice and that I don't care, you see, carefree. So here we are. So the very first one. Ooh, I love a color. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, wow. I love the texture. Oh, I love it. The smell is good. Oh, it's adorable. Look at this. I like this. You see, because I saw a bunch, with hook and that you can transform and so on. I want a classical backpack. So I look at the pics and I saw it was this system, like this, and just you can adjust the length like this. So it's perfect for me. Oh, it's adorable. Look at this. Oh my God, the leather is insane. Oh, it's exactly like I wanted. So let's open it. Oh, and other things. I wanted to have this system, you see, like a buckle. I really don't want a button pressure or something. I really want it, for me it's more secured like this. For the way I'm going to use it, this one is perfection, so it's a real buckle. And let's see the inside. Oh yes, it's raw leather. I love the vibe, seriously. Oh, it's super cute. Oh, oh my God, it's so soft, guys. Oh, I like it. I like it. Super cute. And also on the tiny weeny pocket, it's also a real buckle, guy. Oh my God, I'm so happy. And I've got this drawstring. Oh, yes, and this one, as you can see, it's thin, but I can tell you guys that it's strong structure. I'm so happy. Oh, it's like, I search a lot. I search for hours on Etsy because you can find everything, but in my mind, it was really clear. I've got a bunch of points that needed to be matched for the bag, and oh my God, it's so cute. I think I will just do the unboxing and later I will do review because I've got two other bags to show you and I'm afraid the video will be too long. So here is the first one, and if I remember well, I chose the tan color because it was available in black, dark brown and tan, and I do not forget tan. It's super cute. So the size is okay. It's really in my mind what I wanted. Let's see if the two other bags will be also satisfying like this. The second one, I love the color. It's exactly like on the pic, so let's see. It's also another tiny backpack, but this one, guys, oh, it's so cute. This one is made with grain leather. You've got smooth leather and you've got a grain leather for the main body. Oh, and this one is available in various colors. You've got the nude color for the leather, smooth leather, and this part, the body of the bag, you can choose other, and it was pink lilac, green, olive green, blue, and you can also have this part in white and navy color and so on. I really like the green and the lilac one, I can tell, but I went with a nude one because I already have a bunch of very colored outfits. I wanted something I was sure it will match my outfit. This is the same situation here. I love that. And oh my God, the smell is so cute. Oh my God, I like it. I really, really like it. So once again, you have a buckle, you have a drawstring, and look at this. Oh my God. And even on the grain leather, the inside is so soft. I am impressed. I am seriously impressed. And oh yes, it's adorable. It's really adorable. Oh, cute. And it's so lightweight. Both are super lightweight. So look at this. And the last one, it's not a backpack. And in fact, I discovered it while browsing the entire boutique of them. And I saw this one. And I fell in love just by the pic. So let's keep fingers crossed. This one is also good. Oh, yes. Okay. You see, it's the kind of leather like this. So I'm super happy because it's really what I wanted. So this one, I know you had button pressure. And it's a kind of a little satchel. And oh, wow. So cute. So you see, the size is a small one, but oh, the magnet is super strong, guys. You hear? Wow. So, oh, I love it. Oh my God. It's really gorgeous leather. So let's open it. You have a front pocket here, which is kind of spacious. Seriously, my phone can fit in. And you have one main compartment here. And you have, I completely forgot, you have a zip pocket, which is quite tiny, but can be practical. But this compartment is just great. And oh, yes, the strap is all in leather. You can remove it. It's gold hardware, vintage gold. You can see it's brushed one with kind of black tinted gold. And that's cool because they explained at the very first time they launched this bag, the strap was not removable, and there was a bunch of customers who asked them to make it removable. They listened to the customer, and oh, I love this kind of system to adapt the length. I really like it. Wow, guys, I'm surprised. I am, it's a good surprise. I'm super happy. Oh, the smell is also good, seriously. I know it's bags, but I'm not so much into fashion and so on, but I am a leather lover, and I have to say, when I saw the quality of leather that you can find with other company, guys, this was my Etsy orders. I stopped the video here because yes, it's 15 minutes, so it's okay, it's quite long. I think I will do more videos concerning what fit inside the bag and so on, so stay tuned. If you have any question, I repeat, all those items I paid by, oh yes, I forgot the price. I apologize, I'm so happy concerning the bag. You cannot tell the price. Seriously, guys, you cannot tell the price. They are all in leather. And for the 3 bags, I paid 180 euro. Yes, guys, express shipping included. Yes. So I will keep you updated. Thanks for watching. I repeat, have a great day, take care, and we'll see us in the next video. Bye bye, guys.